The Psalms teach us to vindicate the orphan and the oppressed, and that the Lord maintains the cause of the afflicted and justice for the poor. We're to learn to do good, seek justice, reprove the ruthless, defend the orphan, plead for the widow. So here's the deal. If we so choose, how do we apply the wisdom of the Psalms and the admonitions of Isaiah? As lawyers, we do take comfort when we're able to help the afflicted and prevent harm to the powerless. That said, I must concede that all cases don't present such lofty aspirations. Law is a mix of the mundane and the magnificent. An area of justice in which the California legislature has a particular interest is the protection of dependent adults. A dependent adult is a person between 18 and 64 who has physical or mental limitations that restrict his or her ability to carry out normal activities or to protect his or her rights. We have law that has been designed to protect a particularly vulnerable portion of the population from gross mistreatment in the form of abuse and custodial neglect. The Elder Abuse and Dependent Adult Civil Protection Act is a broad, powerful statute that enables interested persons to engage attorneys to take up the cause of abused elderly persons and dependent adults. It's important to note California's definition of financial abuse. Financial abuse occurs when a person takes, secretes, appropriates, obtains, or retains the real or personal property of an elder or dependent adult for a wrongful use or with intent to defraud or both. A person is equally liable for elder financial abuse if they assist another in doing any of the above. So what is our experience when we take up the cause of victims of financial abuse? Well, it might be a little crude to say, but money talks, especially when an abuser or his attorney realizes that California has a powerful law that will subject him to damages and also attorney's fees for his wrongdoing against an elder or dependent adult. Attorney's fees are no small risk and may be a multiple of the actual damages. The simple truth is that financial abuse of dependent adults often requires, in the words of Isaiah, reproval of the ruthless. California law certainly helps us in this reproval. If you'd like to talk to us about issues related to the abuse of a dependent adult, then call us at Hackard Law, 916-313-3030. We represent clients throughout the state from Sacramento and Los Angeles to the Bay Area and San Diego, and we'll be happy to listen to your story. Thank you.